Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best screen door locks is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for home security and convenience, offering peace of mind and an added layer of protection for your property. In today's world, ensuring the safety of your loved ones and belongings is paramount, and a reliable screen door lock can be a surprisingly effective deterrent against unwanted visitors while still allowing you to enjoy the fresh air. This review will delve into the top options available, helping you make an informed decision to enhance your home security and accessibility. Number 5. Kohree RV Door Lock Replacement with Paddle Deadbolt. Crafted from 100% zinc alloy, this lock is built for extreme hardness and durability. Its oxidation treatment ensures wear resistance and a smooth, comfortable feel. Featuring a thickened solid base and IPX3 waterproof material, it's designed for years of dependable outdoor use. You can trust its robustness in any weather. Unlike other materials, our solid zinc alloy construction can withstand greater tensile force. This ensures a long service life, far exceeding lighter alternatives. This lock fits most RV doors and is perfect for travel trailers, campers, trucks, horse trailers, and cargo haulers. Its adaptable design makes it a great choice for many vehicles. With a built-in deadbolt and back locking function, it offers superior protection. The smooth, silent operation ensures your property and personal safety are well guarded. Installation is a breeze with included longer screws to meet various needs. Everything you need is in a box for a quick and secure setup. What we like. This lock is built for the long haul with its robust 100% zinc alloy construction and IPX3 waterproof rating. It features a built-in deadbolt for enhanced security, making it a great choice for RVs, campers, and trailers. If you need a durable and secure lock for your recreational vehicle or enclosed trailer that can withstand the elements, this is the one for you. What people say. The lock is easy to install and operate. It provides a good sense of security for my screen door. The key mechanism is smooth and reliable. Number 4. ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro Smart Deadbolt. Introducing the ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro, a revolutionary smart deadbolt that offers keyless entry. Unlock your door effortlessly with just a touch of your finger. This device provides 7 ways to unlock your door, including fingerprint, keypad, smartphone app, and more. It's the ultimate convenience for modern living. Our advanced AI-powered fingerprint reader recognizes your touch instantly. It can store up to 100 fingerprints and offers customizable codes for added security. Manage access remotely with the smartphone app. Lock, unlock, and view activity logs from anywhere, anytime. You can even grant temporary access to guests. Enjoy the convenience of auto lock and auto unlock features. It automatically locks when you leave and unlocks as you approach, ensuring your home is always secure. Constructed with a durable zinc alloy, this smart lock meets the highest security standards. It's also IP65 rated, making it weatherproof and built to withstand extreme conditions. Installing this smart deadbolt is a breeze. It fits most standard doors and can be installed in just 10 minutes with a screwdriver. Enjoy peace of mind with lifetime support. What we like. Experience ultimate convenience and top-tier security with this advanced smart lock. It offers 7 ways to unlock, including a fast fingerprint reader and app control, plus it meets the highest ANSI Grade 1 security standards. If you're looking for a keyless entry solution for your front door that combines cutting-edge technology with robust security and durability, this smart deadbolt is an excellent option. What people say. The lock is easy to install and operate. It feels sturdy and secure, providing peace of mind. The key mechanism is smooth and reliable. Number 3. Wright Products Serenade Mortise Lever Lock. Introducing the Serenade Mortise Lever Lock from Wright Products. This stylish lock set is perfect for outswinging metal and wood doors, offering both elegance and security. Designed for versatility, it fits doors 1.125 to 2 inches thick. The non-handed design ensures it works seamlessly on both left and right-handed doors. Gain peace of mind with its built-in key deadbolt lock mechanism, providing an extra layer of security. It comes complete with 2 keys for your convenience. Crafted with quality and durable construction, this lock is built for reliable everyday use. It's the perfect addition to your storm or screen door. Get started right away. All necessary installation hardware is included, meaning no additional parts need to be ordered. Enjoy a clean and subtle look with matching interior and exterior finishes. This eliminates the need to worry about coordinating paint colors. What we like. Upgrade your screen or storm door with this elegant and secure Mortise lever lock set. It features a built-in keyed deadbolt for added peace of mind and a stylish satin nickel finish. If you have an outswinging metal or wood door and want to enhance its security and appearance with a classic, durable lock, this set is a perfect fit. What people say. The lock is easy to install and operate. It feels very sturdy and secure, providing peace of mind. The key mechanism is smooth and reliable. Number 2. Ideal Security GL Door Lever Set with Keyed Deadbolt Lock. Elevate the look of your home with this stylish door handle and inside latch. It's designed to replace standard storm door handle sets, adding both curb appeal and enhanced security with a matching keyed deadbolt. This handle with a lock and deadbolt is a popular choice for replacing existing hardware. It's compatible with most pre-installed surface mount handles and locks, ensuring a convenient upgrade. Enjoy versatile installation with this lever handle, suitable for outswinging storm or screen doors. It can be easily configured for both left-handed and right-handed applications, fitting doors from 1 to 2.18 inches thick. Gain peace of mind with the included keyed deadbolt lock. It provides easy locking from the inside and secure access from the outside with a key, offering an extra layer of protection. Installing this set is a breeze. If you're replacing an existing handle, the screw posts should be 1/3/4 inches apart. For new installations, only 3 additional holes are needed for the screws and spindle. What we like. This stylish lever handle set with an integrated keyed deadbolt offers an elegant upgrade for your storm or screen door. It's designed to replace most standard handles and provides added security with its keyed deadbolt. If you're looking for an easy-to-install, attractive solution to enhance both the curb appeal and security of your storm door, this white lever set is a great choice. What people say. The lock is easy to install and operate. It provides a good sense of security for my home. The key mechanism is smooth and reliable. Number 1. DESLOC B200 Fingerprint Smart Lock. Introducing the DESLOC B200, a smart lock designed for your convenience. Enjoy multiple ways to unlock your door, including fingerprint, keypad, and app control. Unlock your door in under 0.3 seconds with our advanced AI fingerprint sensor. It learns and adapts, supporting up to 50 fingerprints for reliable access for everyone. Installing this smart deadbolt is a breeze. It's designed to fit most standard US doors and can be easily installed with just a screwdriver, no professional help needed. Powered by 4 AA batteries, it offers up to 12 months of use. A low battery indicator and a USB-C emergency port ensure you always have access. Built to withstand the elements, this lock is IP54 water resistant and operates reliably in extreme temperatures. It meets BHMA Grade 3 security standards for your peace of mind. Manage access from anywhere with the DESLOC app. Grant temporary or scheduled access to family and guests, and keep track of who enters your home. What we like. Unlock your door in multiple ways with this versatile smart lock, featuring up to 8 different access methods including a super-fast fingerprint sensor and app control. Its durable, IP54 water-resistant design ensures reliable performance in various climates. If you prioritize flexibility in access, quick entry, and a lock that can handle different weather conditions for your home, this smart deadbolt is an ideal solution. What people say. The lock is easy to install and operate. It feels very sturdy and secure. The key mechanism is smooth and reliable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.